Hi guys! Kung naka-new page experience na ang iyong Facebook page at gusto mo malaman ang new way on how to invite friends, for today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to invite your friends the right way using your cell phone. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so punta ka na agad sa iyong Facebook page. Okay, so hanapin mo ang page na gusto mo mag-invite ng friends. Of course, switch now, no? Kasi hindi ka new page experience na nga. Alright, so we're here in our page. Okay, click this one. So once you're here in your page, click the three dots nandyan sa gilid, guys. Okay, ito, invite friends. Ayun ang sabi ko kanina, so it's a new way now of inviting friends. Nilagay dito, switch to your profile to invite friends. So kailangan mo po mag-switch to your profile. Okay, so click dito sa baba, switch profile. Okay, so ito na, naka-switch na. Okay, so click it again, the three dots, and then click it again, the invite friends. Alright, so ayun dito na, guys. Okay, okay, so sample tayo, guys. So ito lang muna, send invites. Ayun, invites sent. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And please click the bell button para ma-update ka kaagad kapag may bago akong tutorial na i-upload. God bless everyone and enjoy life!